Morning, welcome to Buckle Up Garage. Today is the day. I've got everything off the blue car that I wanted, and it's time to take it to the scrapyard. I loaded it last week, and I'll be honest, I didn't really video it because it quite honestly is extremely sketchy. I was doing it by myself. I wanted to just get it on the trailer, get it done. I didn't want to mess around with moving cameras around and talking and everything else. I used my engine hoist and a floor jack and moved as fast as I could. I don't really know how much this weighs, and I'm really not sure what the capacity is of the trailer. So I loaded it kind of far forward to get some weight onto the truck that I'm towing it with. It's kind of close. This is going to be a little sketchy, or a lot sketchy. But like I said, I got everything off of it that I want. I did carve out the driver's side floor because it was pretty decent. I don't really need it for the white car, but I hate to see it go away to the scrap pile, because you can't buy those things. You just can't. But other than that, you know, I've got it strapped here, 2 straps through here, and one over the back. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Well, so far so good. It's back there. Made it out of the driveway. Got a ways to go. Made it past my town's city hall and police department. 2 cops pulling out of the property. They didn't turn around and come back, so I guess they're okay with what they're seeing. Kind of stopping on the way just to give it the mid-route double check, make sure nothing's coming loose. And well, straps are tight. Wheels aren't falling off. It's doing what it does. I left a headliner bow in here. Toss this up front so it doesn't come flying out at somebody. But it's still on there. We're still doing it. So let's just keep going. All right, back on the road. Never ceases to amaze me. Right to me saying people are stupid when I'm doing what I'm doing right now. But if I were to see me, this vehicle, that trailer, that hunk of garbage, and how it's strapped on, I would be staying as far away from it as I possibly could. But I've currently got a guy that's kind of right up my ass because I'm doing 35 and a 45. Would you not look at this and think there's going to be things falling off of it, flying out of it? It could come off the trailer. I don't know if it's lack of situational awareness, self-preservation, common sense, or a combination of all three. But people are amazing. All right, we have made it. We're outside the gate. I got about 5-10 minutes to wait before we pull in. Gonna find out two things. Gonna find out how much this shell weighs. We're also gonna find out how much my Aspen weighs with the trailer on it. So they weigh on the way in, and then they weigh on the way out, and whatever the difference is what they give you for your scrap. So sit and wait. All right, we're in 6840. 6,840 pounds at the moment. We'll see what it is on the way out. Off she goes. So, in the end, we were 6,840 pounds going in. We were 6,100 pounds even on the way out. That netted us $59.20. That's right, folks. $59.20. I can see why people do this for a living. Okay, so what did we learn today? What did we learn today at 20 after 8 on a Saturday already? I'm learning stuff. I learned that the carcass of a 1969 Chrysler 300 does not weigh as much as I thought. I figured it was going to be close to 1,000 pounds. Their scales weighted in at 600. Granted, this is a salvage yard scales. I'm sure they're tipped in their favor, so to speak. But, like I said earlier, I was hoping to make just enough to maybe buy dinner tonight. It's not going to be a steak dinner, but what the hell? It's 20 after 8 and I made $60 already. I'm sorry, $59.20. I don't want to exaggerate. So at least now I've got the slab next to the garage emptied out, and I can get ready for whatever the next part of this project's going to be, kind of get things ready for winter. So tune in, there'll be more. Hopefully this is worth watching, a little exciting. Maybe it wasn't exciting at all, I don't know. It's been a long time since I scrapped the car. So appreciate everybody that tunes in. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. You know, maybe ding that bell for notifications. Share this with your friends. You know, if it's something you think they might find interesting, or they might just get a laugh out of it, I don't know. I appreciate it all. So until the next tune-in, the next episode, the next installment, whatever you want to call it, I'm Corey. This is Buckle Up Garage. Later.